Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to make basic shadowed and embossed text effects in Shotcut, as opposed to the reflected shadow I did before. This technique can be used in any picture or video application that has layers and doesn't have an automatic function. First, place your text where you want it to be. Yes, I'm using the Merry Christmas text again. 'Tis almost the season. Duplicate the text and put it on a new layer above. Next, give the bottom layer a darker colour. This can be a darker shade of the same colour, black, or blue is often used for shadows. Of course, you can also use any other colour you want, if you're going for something you want to stand out. Now, on one of the layers you're going to move the text. It doesn't really matter which one. So click on it and go to the filter box and start playing with the values on the position row. You don't want to go too far though, or the text begins to separate and the effect is lost. Unless of course you're going for a neon sign effect. That might work. Depending on what colours you use and how big you make the difference, you can get effects that look like embossing or even 3D text, although the latter is better with a chunky and sans serif font. Here are a few examples with the filter specifications used, so you can get the general idea of spacing, although that will depend on the font chosen and the size of the text. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.